Next, we come to extraterrestrial life. In 1960, Frank Drake performed the first modern SETI experiment, in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Yet God's pronouncements outpaced man's imagination by more than a millennium. And among his signs, is the creation of the heavens and the earth, and of whatever living creatures, Daba, he, has spread forth in both. And he, has the power to gather them together, Jamayim, when he, will so please. In this verse, the Quran speaks of living creatures which inhabit space, the heavens, and which move on land, this being the meaning of the word Daba. The verse goes on to declare that mankind will one day come into contact with these creatures in some way, Jamayim. In other verses the Quran proclaims that they receive revelation as we do. These declarations of the Quran constitute evidence for its divine origin, for which man of that age could not only envisage the existence of aliens on faraway planets, but proclaim future contact with them. One hopes the day will come soon when this extraordinary prophecy finds its fulfillment. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you wish to see videos like these in future.